This magnificent vehicle's just come out the factory. That's where I'm at right now. It's in Aschbach in northern Bavaria, and I'm going to show you around this Concorde Charisma in under 3 minutes. Now, it deserves more than 3 minutes, but that is all I'm going to give to you. If you want to see more about it, then you're going to have to see the full video where I give a better description of it. So this is a 9-meter class vehicle. We've got at the back this very large bed with storage all the way around it, including in the corners, which is most unusual. There is the electrical, you've got USBs and shore power next to the bed. That's the best setup for a bedroom I have seen. This is a bit more odd. You've got storage under the bed as well as in the step. Here we've got a rather nicely appointed washroom, dressing room with doors at either side, a huge shower and a very large washroom. There's a door here which will close off the bedroom, and there's a door there which will close off the living part. Obviously there's storage as well under the sink. 3 burners here, storage there, 2 sinks, one large one and one a bit smaller. On the other side we have the oven, we have a fridge freezer which opens in both directions. And there you go, just to make the point. Now this, the front, it is called the bar layout. Don't know why it's called that. It's got a table at one side, it's got a chair here, very comfortable if you're planning on working I should say. And this is on Iveco daily basis. So extremely luxurious vehicle. So here, as we're going out now, we'll close the lights off there, we'll turn this down here like that, and then walk out. As it's so high up, it's got a huge amount of storage, and including cabinets that go right the way through. Back garage will take 400 kilos. Okay, thanks for watching. I did that in under 3 minutes.